Multi-ID grade estimation in Vulcan provides faster processing of complex models. Traditionally, a script comprising of dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of IDs would be required to process all of the elements in each estimation domain. It could take a considerable amount of time to get them all processed. To help speed this up, Maptek created multi-ID grade estimation. The run file is streamlined by removing the Vulcan executable and block model names from the original file, leaving the estimation file name and ID. It works by processing all of the IDs in parallel, making it faster and making better use of the available cores in your system. Less time is dedicated to processing the block model itself, as the focus becomes estimating values into the block model. Speeds 5 to 10 times faster have been achieved, bringing a week-long runtime down to less than a day. You can process estimations faster, thanks to Vulcan multi-ID grade estimation.